Today's story comes from the United States, where a Nigerian man, Christopher Agbaje, has been sentenced to over 11 years in prison for fraud. Between November and December 2020, a law firm in the US became the target of a highly sophisticated fraud scheme carried out by Christopher. Posing as a business owner in a legal dispute with another company in the US, Christopher established a fake attorney-client relationship with the law firm. With this new established relationship, the law firm now has the responsibility of receiving checks and making payments on behalf of their new client. Christopher immediately sprung into action. He sent a fraudulent Citibank check for $198,000 to the law firm, which was deposited in the firm's account. Soon after, the law firm received a request to wire the money from their own account to another account provided by Christopher, successfully siphoning the funds. Immediately the funds were wired, Christopher and his criminal partners began to move the money across borders in an attempt to cover their tracks. This is where the case took a turn into money laundering. When law enforcement caught wind of the fraud, they launched a full-scale investigation. But shockingly, while Christopher was fully aware of the authorities closing in, he didn't stop. Instead, he encouraged his criminal partners to press on, gain leverage, and for them to act ignorant if caught. Eventually, the law caught up with them as expected. In February 2024, Christopher Agbaje was extradited from the United Kingdom to the United States to face justice. After a 4-day trial, he was found guilty of money laundering, aiding and abetting wire fraud, and aiding and abetting mail fraud. On September 11, 2024, the judge sentenced Christopher Agbaje to 142 months in prison and ordered him to pay $188,000 in restitution to the law firm he defrauded. Remember, crime doesn't pay. Stay safe.